Hello. Welcome. This is Mrs. M, and thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe below so you can receive all the latest juicy cleaning business industry news. So today, I'm going to get started on something that I get all the time. And the question I get is, how do I move my prospect to a yes more than towards a no? So, how do I move my prospect, my cleaning prospect, to more of a yes than a no? Well, we all must understand that when you are going to deliver a walkthrough, a bid, you're going to the prospect. They're not thinking of hiring a cleaning company. What they're thinking about is a problem that they have, either because they don't have a cleaning company or because they have the wrong one. So they're frustrated because this morning they walked in and their bathroom looked an absolute mess, or their floors weren't clean, or the trash wasn't empty. So they're not thinking, oh, wow, I'm excited to hire another cleaning company that may or may not do the job correctly. What they're thinking is, oh my goodness, here we go again. We've got to go through doing walkthroughs, getting the right person, trusting them with our keys, our alarm code, hoping that after 3 months, which is the normal time most people drop off, they're going to continue to deliver the results I want. So that's what they're thinking. If you know what your cleaning prospect is thinking, you can go in there with that on your mind as well. So that means you're not going in talking about you. You're going in figuring out what you can do for them. Always remember, it's what's in it for me. WIIFM. That's what you're thinking when you're looking for something that is a problem for you. What are you getting out of it? So that's exactly what your cleaning prospect is thinking. If you keep that in mind, you will not be disappointed because you're going to speak the same language they're speaking. You're going to understand, I'm here to deliver a solution. It's not about me, it's about them. And what can I do to let them understand that they've got the right company? So if you go in thinking of 3-4 items that either they've conveyed to you they're not happy about, and right off the top, you've practiced before you've gotten there what you need to say when someone says, well, the price that we have for our previous cleaning company was high, but they still didn't do a good job. So no matter what we pay, we realize the price isn't it. Boom, you need to be able to have a great example of why price really doesn't matter, is more of the value of what you're bringing. The next thing you need to talk about is when they say, why should I hire someone other than my own company to do the cleaning? Boom, you need to have an answer as far as your professionalism, your expertise, what you're going to deliver that an unskilled professional cleaning industry person outside of the industry cannot deliver like you can. So in other words, practice. Well before you get there, practice so that you are able to answer the number one question that your cleaning prospects have. What's in it for me? If you remember that, you'll go prepared, ready to answer that question. Now, if you like what I covered and you're interested in learning more on how to build a 6-figure cleaning business from scratch and how to expedite it, we go over so much on our masterclass. Our masterclass is going to be filled with what I just covered and so much more. How to get your conversion rate up to 90% when the average industry might be 20%. How to actually formulate a signature system that automatically has your company set apart from any other ones, because there's a lot of competition out there. So you want to make sure that you come ready and you're well prepared. So if this sounds like you're totally interested, our master classes are so much fun. We have interaction, it's live, so we have limited spaces. Our spaces are very limited because we do a lot of Q&A and interaction. Now, if you're the quiet type and you just want to get online and listen and learn, that's fine as well. But bring pencil, paper, because there's a lot of notes you can take. And we like to deliver information that can help you create actionable items right there on the spot. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, which I absolutely know it should be, then make sure you click below to register for our upcoming masterclass, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.